Listen to this, man.
Alright. Must be restocking soon.
Wait, no, did you hear that? Ooh, are those unlubed?
Are those stabs clipped?
Got that lube, baby. Did you refresh novel keys?
Babe, do we have band-aids?
Like that thought?
Just refreshing novel keys. Oh, you don't use Crytox?
See what Teha Types does?
Come over here and listen to this. Yeah, see on Teha Type's stream the other day? Those Gateron Reds?
Refresh.
Honestly, I don't even want another keyboard.
Refresh.
Have you tried the novel key creams?
Babe, refresh novel keys.
Oh yeah. Okay, maybe one more. Still using stock caps though? It's Black Friday, right?
You hear that, boy? Son of a man.
What are those? Gateron Browns?
Oh, 100%. That's way different.
Baby, did you refresh novel keys for me?
What Teha Types does?
Refresh. Refresh.
Listen to that thought, bro.
Did you clip your stabs? Oh, where's your novel key creams? It ain't linear if it ain't novel key creams. Nah, me.
Ooh, did you hear that last one? It's off.
Did you refresh novel keys?
It's in! Oh!
Fastest fingers first, boys! I'm in. Oh! It's the bots, bro.
Oh, those are unlubed. Those are unlubed for sure.
What are those? Gateron Yellow?
What Teha Types does?
You hear that, Thok?
Oh, yeah. It just sounds so much better when he does it.
Well, yeah, Teha Types is basically God. No, not tonight, man. I got more lube in, so I'm gonna be busy all night. Hello?